Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany. Today we're at the Jeep Lab and this is part 3 of a beginner's guide to off-roading etiquette. Always make sure you educate yourself prior to taking a trip by attaining travel maps and regulations from public agencies, planning for your trip, taking recreation skill classes, and knowing how to operate your equipment safely. Buckle up. Seatbelts are mandatory. Know your limitations. Watch your time, your fuel, and your energy. Take an off-highway driver's course to learn more about negotiating terrain in a four-wheel drive vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is mechanically up to task. Obtain a map of the destination and determine which areas are open to off-highway vehicles. Make a realistic plan and stick to it. Always tell someone what your travel plans are. Contact the land manager for restrictions, closures, and permits requirements. Check the weather forecast before you go. Prepare for unexpected by packing necessary emergency items. Be prepared with tools, supplies, spares, and spill kits for trail slide repairs. Thanks again for joining us, everyone, and don't forget to tread lightly.